I am in a mood to play rock, papers, and scissors. But I've no one to play with. How awful, right? Well, I've got an idea. Let's get going. Ta-da! Here I am with Project, a game of rock, papers, and scissors. Let's check this out. I want to defeat the computer. Can I? Let's see. Here's my code, and here, let's run this project. Okay, what should I choose? Rock. I lost. This is awful. Let's play again. This time, I'll choose paper. Again. I hope you loved this project. Have a nice day.